Get ready for a groundbreaking revelation because Intel just unveiled a game changer in the AI PC realm. Imagine a chip that's not only smart, but practically a superhero in the tech universe. That's what Intel's Core Ultra notebook chips, aka Meteor Lake, are all about. These chips stand out for having an NPU, or neural processing unit, making them exceptionally adept at handling AI tasks. Surprisingly, Intel claims these Core Ultra chips use a whopping 79% less power than AMD's last-gen Ryzen 7 840U when idling in Windows. Plus, in multi-threaded tasks, they outpace AMD's hardware by up to 11%. Intel utilized their new 7 process, Intel 4, for these chips, asserting it makes them the most efficient processors for thin laptops. Now here's the thrilling part. These Core Ultra chips are like AI superheroes, boasting up to 34 teraops for AI tasks by combining power from the NPU, GPU, and CPU. The NPU acts as a secret weapon, enhancing features like studio effects on Windows 11 without draining your battery. Notably, for creative AI tasks, such as using Adobe Premiere Pro, Intel states the Ultra 7 165H is an impressive 70% faster than AMD's Ryzen 7 7840U, a superhero in video editing. For all the geeky details and tests, check out Intel's site. We anticipate that there will be a significant increase in information and news related to AI PCs in the year 2024. On a different note, forget about Intel's chips for a moment. Everyone's about to go wild playing with AI-generated backgrounds on Instagram. How awesome is that? Get ready for some seriously cool pictures. If you're as excited about the future of tech as I am, hit that subscribe button. We're at the forefront of all things tech, and you don't want to miss the latest and greatest. Join our community and let's explore the future together. Until next time, tech enthusiasts, stay curious!